Hello and welcome everyone, Adil with you here in a new video. Today we'll be talking about the new AMD Ryzen processors that were announced the 7th of November. The first one is the AMD Ryzen 9 3950X, the AMD Ryzen Threadripper 3960X, and the AMD Ryzen 9 3970X. I will be starting with the AMD Ryzen 9 3950X. It will be sold at $749 USD. This may seem as a high price first, but stay with me to see why it's not. So, the AMD Ryzen 9 3950X has 16 cores, 32 threads, its base clock is 3.5 GHz and the boost frequency is 4.7 GHz, and it has 64 megabits of cache, of L3 cache. All this packed in a 7 nanometers, compared to Intel i9 10940X with its 14 cores and 28 threads. It has 3.3 boost clock and 4.8 GHz of boost clock and only 19.25 megabits of cache. And it will be sold at $784 USD, which is almost $14 more than this Ryzen processor. The AMD CPUs needs 105 watts compared to the Intel who needs 165 watts. So even from an environmental perspective and long-term energy costs, the AMD CPU is perfect. But you may note that the power consumption can change when you are using it at full load. Another thing to note about this processor is that it does not come with a cooler, and AMD recommends you to use water cooling. The AMD Ryzen 9 3950X comes with a new Eco mode that allows it to use up to 44% of its power without losing too much of its energy or performance. As we can see here, it kept 77% of its performance with using only 44% of its energy. And the best part of it is that it lost 7 degrees Celsius in its temperature and only used 75 watts. As for the motherboard requirements, it will run on AMD 4 standard socket on X770, on X400, 570, X470, and B450. But it will need a firmware update. Now, for the Threadrippers 3960X and 3970X. The new Threadrippers will be launched with the 3960X and $1,400 USD and the 3970X at $2,000 USD. The 3960X comes with 28 cores, 48 threads, 3.8 base clock and 4.5 boost clock, 140 megabytes of L3 cache, which is really huge. This packed in 7 nanometers. It runs on 280 watts. Same as the 3970X, who has 32 cores, 64 threads, and base clock of 3.7 GHz and 4.5 boost clock, and also 128 MB of L3 cache. The Threadripper 3000 processor supports quad-channel DDR4 3200 memory. The new Threadripper processors requires a new socket. It's the TRX40 and TRX4, but the sockets have the same mechanical shape, so the coolers designed for the old generations will still run on the new ones. And it will be completely compatible. Thank you all for watching and see you soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment this video if you liked it, and check out my Instagram account. We are almost at 6K. Thank you.